Hey, it's Cheryl here today. I haven't been out here in a while. I want to show you what's going on in my garden. Look at this crepe myrtle. It's about done, but it has a really pretty pink bloom. See that? And look at how big this grass is. And look how pretty my lamb ears came out. Got some weeds, of course. And hydrangea's about done. I might cut some off to dry, I don't know. We'll see. And these hostas are going to seed. And I see I got some violets down there. I need to pull them out. Those things are crazy. You can see them all down in here. And it looks so empty now that the mobile home is gone. Still got some cleaning up, but gotta wait till it cool down some. So I'm gonna be working over here today in my cutting garden. All my gladiolas are done, y'all. It's just to clean up. I got, some weeds here and there, and over here I got some of my salvias that didn't make it because it got so hot and I didn't get over here to water. So that's what I'm doing today. I just wanted to show you what's going on in my cutting garden, and then I'll show you the rest of the garden in a little while. So stick around, I'll be right back. Okay, I cut back all the leaves on the gladiolas. They'll come back next year. I don't have any doubt about that. But I'm going to let the peonies die back to the ground. And then I can see those violets I can pull out. I see under there. And got some weeds up over this. I call it my holding spot. I got daylilies, irises in there. Coneflowers. And then I cut out the dead in my salvia that was dying. I have another piece in a pot on the patio that I can put in its place. And I thought the foxgloves over here were going to die, but actually they're looking pretty good. So I'm going to leave them alone and see if they bloom. And tied up my roses. I probably got to feed them again. I got some weeds down in there, but it's going to be hard to get them out. Okay, guys, I'll be back to show you some more shortly. Okay, this is the end of the hydrangeas. I may cut some off and dry and do something with it. So now I'm going to walk over to, back over toward the house. So I want to show you a couple things around there. Okay, I want to show you guys. This is humongous elephant ears. It is so happy where it is. Look, guys. Look how big these leaves are. Aren't they huge? And they just love it in this spot. And the coneflowers are about done. So I'm going to walk around and show you the knockout rose. Let's see how that's doing. I had started cutting off the dead ones a couple months ago and I never finished. But they're kind of self-cleaning. Got to clean up some of this. My plants are starting to die. The grasses, which I want for Halloween. Okay, so here is the knockout rose. It's 3 of them. They're doing pretty good, considering I don't do anything much with them. And then down here is just some more coneflowers. I need to clear them out some. They're getting too close to stuff. And down here is you can see the hydrangeas about done. These blossoms are just dried up and burnt. Got tons of weeds to pull out. I've been working on it a little bit. Here's the hibiscus. This comes back from seed every year. Look at all these weeds, guys. I'm tired looking at them. Okay, let's see. I just want to quickly show you, if you can see down there, that other little garden vignette is doing nice. And some more cone flowers and weeds. I'm going to get in there and get some of them out today. It's going to take a while. Probably as soon as I pull some out, some more will be back. But hey, look at all these cone flowers. Aren't they pretty? Okay, guys, I'll be back shortly or later on to show you what's happening on the patio. Take care and be safe.